Good morning student. This is class 10th math and today's thought is arithmetic is the queen of mathematics because in mathematics there is lot of problem which is based on the mathematics, or you can say that major part of mathematics involve arithmetics. So you can say that arithmetic is the queen of mathematics. Now today's date is this is 4th of August 2021 and here we move the next exercise of the coordinate geometry. Before we starting the next exercise of the coordinate geometry, let us discussion about the some point. This is the locus. What do you mean by locus? What do you mean by locus? In earlier classes, you studied about the locus. What is the locus? This is path traced by the moving point is known as the locus. Path traced by the moving point is known as the locus. In earlier classes, studied about this definition. Means if any part traveled by the moving point, this is known as the locus of that point. Now here we will discussion about the equation of the locus. Equation of the locus. Equation of the locus. What is the equation of the locus? An algebraic relation between x and y. An algebraic relation between x and y. The coordinate of a point which satisfied a certain condition. The coordinate of a point which satisfied that certain condition is called the equation of the locus. Is called the equation of the locus of the variable point x, y. How we find the method of the finding the equation of the locus? Here we will discuss about that one. Suppose you have given find the locus of the point. Find the locus of a point. Find the locus of a point whose distance from x-axis equals 2 upon 5 times its distance from the origin. Means you need to find out the locus of a point whose distance from x-axis. From x-axis is equal to 2 upon 5 times the distance from the origin. So firstly we take the 2 points. Let the 2 point be x, y. Let the point be, firstly let the point A, let the point be x, y. Firstly we take the point A, this is x, y. Let the point be x, y. The distance of A, firstly we need to take the distance of A, xy from x-axis, of A, x, y from x-axis. X-axis, this is equal to 2 upon 5 into distance, 2 upon 5 into distance of A of a x comma y from origin. The distance of a xy from the x-axis, you know that the distance from x-axis is equal to y. You know that distance of x-axis, distance of any point from x-axis is equal to y, and distance from any point from y-axis, this is equal to x. So here distance of xy from x-axis, this is y, is equal to 2 upon 5 into distance of axy from origin. From origin means you know that the coordinate of origin is equal to 0, 0. The distance of 0, 0 from xy, using the distance formula, you can find out this is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Squaring both sides, you will get y square is equal to 4 upon 25 x square plus y square. X square plus y square implies that 25